Look at the 2024 Riva Bellissima. She's asking 25.4 million US dollars, and she is 130 feet long. So really awesome boat here. This is kind of the top of the Riva line, and just an amazing opportunity here. Not many of these 130s on the market. They make a bunch of the 110s, and now they're transitioning to the 112s. But really great opportunity to get on board something like this. If you want any info, hit us up, yachtspecsdirect.com. Again, yachtspecsdirect.com for this Riva or any others on the market.